Tifa, you gonna open your gift? Come on. Come here. Come here. Okay, go ahead and open it now.
Is this a tradition that Latifah opens the first gift? Open the gift now.
What did you get, Tifa?
Hurry up, Tifa.
You got a ball. You have to. Wait.
Wait, come here. Do it. No, she needs light.
She's playing with it. No, she got it.
Come here.
No.
Be on stage.
No. Let her take it wherever.
Careful your teeth.
Tifa, did you get it? It's really taped or something.
Yeah. I put packing tape on it.
It's like open already though. She knows how to open it.
Just the clear one, not the like silver one.
She's like, where
Are
is
you
it?
okay? No, I made sure
tired
there's no
now.
staples on it. You've been waiting for 5 hours on that now. What a mess, Latifah. What a mess. Here.
Yeah. What is it, Tifa? Oh, there you go.
Good girl. Okay, now can you take it off?
Okay.
That ball.
Okay, let's see. Hold on.
No, you have to.
Oh, there
No,
you go.
take this off. It's gonna poke her. You need scissors.
Oh yeah, she can't take it off.
Tifa, you like your gift? Hey, Tifa! Tifa!
Pero mukhang hindi lang sina Kim at Gerald ang excited na
Yeah,
lagyan
she's
ng
playing with it already.
bahay. Dahil pati ang mga kasambahay ni Gerald, may